Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat account without email and phone number. So if you forgot your Snapchat login and don't have access to your phone number or email, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can recover your Snapchat account even without those details. So first, you can just go to the Snapchat login screen, either on app or browser. You can just tap on forgot password here, forgot your password options, and then when asked to enter your phone or email, you can just tap on try another way, or I don't have access to this, depending on your versions, and this will bring up Snapchat support request form. If you don't see the options, you can just go to the support.snapchat.com, this one, okay, slash I need help, and you'll see this page right here. You can just submit or enter this support request form. So you can just choose the options in here. I cannot access my account, and then let's say you can just choose these options right here. I cannot verify my email or my mobile number. And if you think so, you can just you can see at the bottom, you can click on contact Snapchat support, click on that option, and then you can just submit a request. So you can fill out the form, you can enter your username, email, mobile number if there's any, and in here in this box you can just explain the situation briefly. For example, you can just say, hi, I lost access to both my email and phone number. I still remember my username and device. Please help me recover it. You can just write that and just tap on submit. After that, you can just wait for the Snapchat team to respond. So once you submit the form, Snapchat support team will email you within a few days, and they may ask for additional verifications like a selfie or info from your device. So once you regain access, you can go to the settings, email or phone number, and update it. So that's how you can recover your Snapchat without email or phone in 2025. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you want me to cover recovery methods for other social medias. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!